Hey, hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. This is Prince once again. And friends, this video's format is going to be completely different, something very new and something very unique. And yes, a lot of them ask for change, and I also felt the need for change. It's my new setup, my new trading room, a little bit of interiors and all done in my office. It's in-house itself, not an external office. And also I felt the need of doing a little bit of creativity in my videos as well. Okay, so if at all you like this kind of format in this video, then please do let me know in the comment section. It will really give me a very good feedback whether I should continue in this method or should I make any more changes in the style of presenting and all those things. So friends, learning from others' mistake, yes, it is really helpful. Learning from others' mistake, learning from others' success, learning from others' journey. Again, it's all shortcuts. You can learn the key points and implement in your life or implement in your trading style, and it's really going to help you. In today's video, I will explain to you what are the few reasons why many of the traders are not successful in stock market, so that you also can implement those steps. You can also learn from that mistakes and you can correct yourself now itself in case if you are still yet to find the limelight in trading. Okay friends, so stay tuned till end of the video, and as I told you, in case if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, and if at all you're not following me on Instagram and on Telegram, you can use the link which I have provided in the description and join. I also provide my trades on Telegram, so you can also follow my trades as well. The first and the foremost thing, once you join your degree college or your engineering or your doctor, MBBS, whatever it is, do you expect salary from day one? You spend minimum 4 years, 3 years, after this doctor more 5-6 years, and then you spend a lot of money and all those things, and after that only you are getting from your courses or from a degree. Same applies in stock market as well. You need to do your due diligence. You need to study for minimum 1 year. You are very lucky, I can say you can learn within 1 year. But for people like me, it took minimum 2 to 3 years to master stock market because there was nobody to teach. Okay, so I would say minimum 1 year is going to be your degree fees or your course fees. So you have to spend your money, you have to spend your time without any return expectation. This is what even I say to all those people who come to me for personal monitoring or for personal mentoring and learning and all those things. I say them the same thing. Are you ready to dedicate 1 year without any expectation? Are you ready to learn? Are you ready to take up this degree for 1 year minimum? Only then please do attend. And then I make them consistently trade with one equity share daily. They become so frustrated. What is this? I'm not earning any money and all those things. So that is a method of testing the patience. So this is what even I do. So for 1 year, please don't invest your money. Don't invest your hard-earned money for 1 year. Be ready to pay fees. So you decide your fees. Trade with 1,000 in equity, no problem. Trade in 2,000 in equity, no problem. Trade in 3,000 in equity, no problem. But don't spend lakhs together. This is one of the main reasons which many people are not able to achieve success in stock market. And I would say with 1 year, if you find a very good strategy and if you do it for a long time, you will become 100% successful. Second thing which you can learn. Once I read somewhere, one great person, I don't remember the name, I'm not good at remembering names. He told me, I don't know how to lose money in stock market. It was very strange. That was a topic, that was a heading which he told, title which he told. I don't know how do people lose money in stock market. It was very contradictory and it was very, thought-provoking concept which he told. And then after that he told, if anyone stick to a strategy and follow to a long time, I don't find any reason for him to lose money in stock market. Might be he is having a drawdown. He is mistaking drawdown with losses. So what is drawdown? Drawdown is nothing but your capital is reducing, and then after some time it will pick up. If your strategy is good enough, it will start picking up as well. So during this drawdown phase, you will consider it as not making money, and then you will ignore the strategy. So that was a concept he explained, and it was very thought-provoking. Even I just thought about it for a long time. It's very simple when he told, I don't know how people lose money in stock market. There is no way that people can lose money in stock market. Very contradictory, right? Yes. So the reason is drawdown. So stick to the strategy even if you're if you're in a drawdown, and then after 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, or worst case even 1 year, you might come out profitable. But the strategy must be backed, it has to have a positive hedge, right? Now let's come to the third point, over expectation. This is one thing even which I had problem, which I had to convince myself, and I had to train my mind as well. Expectation of making money double within 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 1 year, these kind of expectations really ruin your trading career. Once I controlled my mind, and then I decided I don't want any returns from stock market. Even if I get 1%, that means I will make 12% in 1 year. That is more than fixed deposit, more than enough. Once when I reach to this level of, I can say, nirvana or whatever it is, that is how when my trading journey changed. So it is high time that you also have to think about it. Friends, don't have over expectation. Let us be very practical. 50%, this is what I say, 50% also is very high. In fact, 36 to 40% also is good enough, but it's achievable. 40-50% is achievable. So 50% is possible. 50% is nothing but 4 to 5% per month. That's it. It might sound very little, but when you achieve it over a year, it's almost 40-50%, and it's very good. You won't get anywhere else. So don't forget these three very important rules. These are the mistakes which many people do, and it's high time that if you are starting your career now, if you are starting your journey now, please do follow these principles, follow these mistakes which others are doing, and learn from this. Think over these 3 points over for some time, and then you will realize what mistake you are doing. And if you really like this video, please do press the subscribe button and also the like button. Thank you and have a nice day.